Okay guys, welcome back. Today we're going to be doing lesson 16-2. Now yesterday you classified triangles based on their sides. Today you're going to classify them based on the angles. A triangle is a polygon with 3 sides and 3 vertices. We can classify triangles by their angles. So today, instead of the sides, we're going to do just the angles. This first one is called the acute triangle. All angles are acute. If you look at the angles here, that means they're all less than 90 degrees. And we'll get to that in a minute. Then we have the obtuse triangle. One angle is obtuse, the other 2 are acute. When it is obtuse, that means it is more than 90 degrees. Then we have the right triangle, and that means that one angle is right, the other 2 angles are acute. When you have a right angle, it equals exactly 90 degrees, not more, not less. So how I like to do this is I like to grab a little sheet of paper or any paper. The angle of this paper is 90 degrees. So let's look at my acute. When I line it up right to this line, this is my right angle. And if you notice, this angle right here is less, is inside. So this angle that I just did is a right angle. It is 90 degrees. Notice that this is inside, which means it's less. So this angle would be acute. And since they're all acute, the whole triangle would be acute triangle. Let's look at this one. If I look at this angle is less than 90 because it's inside. I'm going to line up my piece of paper, and you can do the same thing. Grab a sheet of paper that you have at home and line it up to your computer so you can see this is less. Now when I line up this paper, let me make it a little bit straighter so you can see. When I line up my paper right here with this angle, I'm going to trace it, and I notice that this angle is larger. I know it's a little tough to see with all my lines, but I'll show you again. I'm going to line up my angle right here. You see that? So this is, and I'm going to make a small line right here. So this right here is this green one right here is my right angle. Notice that this angle is wider, which makes it an obtuse. In order for a triangle to be obtuse, it has to have one obtuse angle and then the other 2 to be acute, the other 2 to be smaller. And then the right angle is it's like a perfect L, I like to call it. A nice L. It's 90 degrees, exactly 90. So we're going to take the same triangles from yesterday that we classified, but this time we're going to classify them by their sides. By their angles. Your paper should say angles. Acute, obtuse, or right. Okay, let's see. If I grab my paper, what do you notice? Let's see, this is pretty small because I know that a perfect L, so this is acute because I know a perfect L and it's less than, but this one is, if I grab my paper, put it up to the screen and just line up one line, just like that, I'm going to notice that it's wider. So if I have one that is bigger than 90 and 2 that are small, let's see, acute, all 3 have to be less than 90. Okay, now I only have 2. Obtuse, one angle is obtuse, so one is more than 90 and the other 2 are acute, so this would be obtuse because this angle is larger than 90 degrees, and that's how we can classify it. Let's try this one. Oh, here they actually gave us the angles. This angle 60, this one's 78, this one's 36. Let's go back up here. All 3 angles are acute. They have to be less than 90. Is this less than 90? Is this less than 90? That's acute. This is less than 90. That's acute. I don't need to use my paper because they actually gave me the measurements. That means that this is an acute triangle because all the sides are less than 90. All right, let's try here. So notice how they're all different. You can see them all very different. I see this. Okay, I'm gonna use my paper. I noticed that if I draw like a perfect L here, it's gonna be less. So this is acute, and you can label them to help you. And this looks the same because, so this is acute. And then if I grab my paper, you can put it up to the screen, zoom in and to show you. This would be a perfect L, a perfect right angle. But because this is wider, this would be obtuse. So what is it when I have, this one has to be all acute. This one has to have one angle is obtuse. The other two angles are acute. And this one has to have one right angle. There are no right angles here, one that is obtuse. So this whole triangle would be considered obtuse. In order for it to be acute, they all have to be acute. But if they have one obtuse, then it's obtuse. Let's try this one. And if I notice, I put my perfect L, that's acute. Same thing, my perfect L, this is acute, and this is acute. It's the same thing, less than 90. So since they're all acute, go back to my sheet up here, all three angles are acute, so then the triangle will be acute. Acute. All right, let's see. Here is your independent that you will do in your Google. And you're gonna do the same thing, classify them by their angles. Notice here, I see a little right, call it a little right box. This is the right triangle. Keep referring back to this. One angle is right, the other two angles are acute. So this would be a right angle. I just helped you with that one. So go ahead and look at all the angles. Make sure you're using a paper. I know you can't print this. If you can, go ahead. If not, it's okay. Then the homework is on the next page. Keep scrolling. Same thing. You can write like an L to see if it helps you, if it's less, if it's wider, it's obtuse. Use a sheet of paper. Grab any sheet of paper and you line it up to the screen and it'll help you like that. Okay? Let me know if you have any questions, comments, or concerns. Thank you for watching.